Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya
Ka Office jang Commissioner for Person with Disabilities harangkat ka jang trailang bat ka State Resource Center on Disability Affairs ka Composite Regional Center Shillong bat ka Meghalaya Deaf Association hakar penyo trik unai lur arajar pusan Clara K yak International Deaf Day haka jang lang ka long auditorium jika St Anthony's College Shillong Hagani gesngi asa kilang do menteri ketanat ka kya ka sarkar jilla ba wailat mi ki shilla balong kumukongsan u Commissioner for Person with Disabilities ba Lingkor Kinjing ka Deputy Commissioner for Person with Disabilities ka kong Brigade Warshong ka Assistant Commissioner for Person with Disabilities ka kong Ripaya Pasa u Secretary Jong Meghalaya Deaf Association uba John Kit Maring u President Jong Federation of Persons with Disabilities uba Ferdinand Dingdo ka Director Jongka Ferrando Campus for Inclusive Education, Nong Dingan ka Sister Melly Tam, Additional CEO ka State Resource Center on Disability Affairs, Dr. NP Lalu, ki kena pulih kislam ajngi kay, papher bat kiwe. Kong sanula samru ikikusnam, bat ki hearing aids, shaki brio ki badan jing Thud, hakabor Ïohsngew.
Organize the Purple Fair for the people with disabilities, which have really given them the platform to showcase their talent, to register themselves for many assistance, and also given them the opportunity to know the kind of support and assistance given from the state and from the central government. I will also thank to all the participants, especially the performance of today's program, which have really moved us all. With all the challenges, they have really presented beautifully in different presentations. To see to these challenges, we are really in need of the interpreter. And for this, I would really congratulate the Office of the Commissioner for Person of Disabilities for the just recently, as we have been announced that they have launched the Meghalaya Sign Bank app, which will be a bridge to communicate with the person with disability. But I believe, no doubt we were discussing to have the interpreter. But if we just have them also, if we as the public, as the people of the state, if we are not ready to learn, it will be meaningless. So that's why I would like to request you today at this moment, we should not just standing here celebrating the International Deaf Day. We should show it in action. So first I'll request each and everyone here, please take out your mobile. Please take out your mobile. I'll request each and everyone, and please download this Meghalaya Sign Bank app now. Please. Because I know if we keep it later on, we have many things to do, so we might forget. So I'll request all of you who are having a mobile phone, a smartphone, which I am totally confident that each and every one of you have. Please open the Play Store and type Meghalaya Sign Bank app and please download it. What is really important, because when I check the kind of assistance, the kind of different support which the government gives is many. But I'm quite shocked to know that even in the urban areas also they don't know about this support. So that's why I was urging our Commissioner to please give awareness to especially to the rural areas. That is very much important. As I said, there are different assistance given from the government, whether in terms of health. As we know, we have the MHIS card where these people can avail up to 1 lakh. But other than that, you have a special card for you. That is the Niramaya card. Another 1 lakh rupees. Another 1 lakh rupees you can avail for medical benefit. And we have given the UDID card, and very soon I will be taking the review meeting regarding the registration and the process, and I will try my level best from my end to make it easily accessible for you, for the people to register themselves. And in terms of education, you know, the government is giving their education scholarship from the college, school fees. We have the scholarship for books, for uniform, even for traveling allowance. We have a provision for that. So I'll urge you to take the benefit for this. Since from class nursery till you complete your PG, the government have education scholarship for you all. And that is not all. After that, we have a free coaching program conducted by the CRC for you to, in order to appear to different competitive examination. And for those who have different talent, we have support for training program, for skill development.
National Para Arm Wrestling Championship. Sampot Sunshine, who got first prize in Asia Para Arm Wrestling Thud, who won second prize in National Para Arm Wrestling.
Kafit hakalay ba't sa Utariga October minta Ïohsngew Hoy, hoy, hoy Hakalay tarik Pore Henry baje janmiyet Unwan te muba Bunker kharkung goru Kay turba paunam hame galaya Hakaso tarik Por Henry baje janmiyet Kandon Kajmi ako Pyait mis Kevo maubati kat Kiba kawashim Bentana kino ki jaka kastotir Meghalaya karta kandaina duwa kat so Ïohsngew shajaron Kai, Kau, Wati, Zona Kafit hakalay ba't sa Utariga October minta Ïohsngew
Pin riu squat ya các tiên là dòng pin đâm cam ya kabakan kiêu các tiên khasi các tiên là dòng ai kan roi kan pa ni don ki kan tiên là dòng belai pat puri bat penduk ya la các tiên là dòng kum kan nuksa các kan tiên barikor kamut arts ha các tiên phareng các kan tiên lari tipat kamut culture kumta ya ka arts and culture ngiyo ta ka tin khasi barikor bat lariti ki balong ru ki kitien ban karteng khon u barikor ka lariti lapan mi ta ka pati CTV nagamenta ka jingmentoi upai pa